described and captioned media program. In the classroom and on the go. DCMP.org.
MIT K-12 Videos presents Jana and Egbert, Sneezing Aardvarks.
Thanks for helping me cook dinner tonight, Chef Jana.
I'd like to help you, Dad.
Could you do me a favor and grab the pepper?
Yeah, sure.
She gets on her tiptoes to reach for a box of black pepper on a shelf. She gets it.
Pepper always makes me sneeze.
She opens it and sniffs it.
Chew!
In a cartoon,
Fieldite!
Thanks, Egbert.
he gives her a tissue.
That noise.
It's these guys. They seem pretty upset.
Black pepper!
White pepper!
Black pepper!
White pepper!
The Described and Captioned Media program provides services designed to benefit students who are blind, visually impaired, deaf, hard of hearing, and deaf-blind. These services include a library of free loan described and captioned educational media, a clearinghouse of information related to educational media access, a gateway to internet resources related to accessibility, and a set of guidelines for adding descriptions and captions to media. There are no user registration or service fees. Visit the DCMP at dcmp.org. The DCMP is funded by the U.S. Department of Education and administered by the National Association of the Deaf.